In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitize documents and store them into your cloud storage service. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use OneDrive. So this is my phone that you see on the screen over there. I'm going to use OneDrive because that's what's associated with my school account. So as I do that, let me go ahead and open the OneDrive folder on my computer. I'm going to choose the screencast subfolder, not for any particular reason, just to show that you can save into different subfolders. And then I'm going to click on that camera icon on the bottom of the screen. And what it does is it turns my phone into a document scanner. You see it's automatically selecting this notes page that I have. I'll take a picture. And you can see if you've ever used a document scanner, you can it automatically selects what it thinks is the document that you're scanning, and then you can also adjust those corners if you want to be really perfect or if it picks up the wrong thing. That's something that you can do. I'm going to click done, and then there's a variety of filters that you can apply. If you see that filters icon at the bottom, because of the lighting, you can see the picture has that kind of yellowish background. I'm going to select that black and white filter, which eliminates a lot of that. There's also a little bit of variety there. As you saw, there's some different modes. You can treat it as a document, as a whiteboard, business card, photo. I'm just going to stick to document, and then I'm going to click done. It gives me some save locations. Those are all subfolders that I've opened recently. Screencast, the one at the top, is the one that I have currently opened, and then the other locations are SharePoint places that I have saved to recently. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as notes, and you'll see it should load into my computer in a second. While it does that, I'll go ahead and scan another file. So here's another notes page. This one has a little bit of color. It seems to have worked out well. I'll click done, and so then I can click on add new on the bottom left. Flip to the next page. Here's a little bit of artwork for my daughter. Something else that you can do, you can annotate. So if you see the icons on the top of the screen, I can go back to the crop window that's next to the trash can. That trash can delete icon will delete just this one page from the scans. The crop you saw takes you back into that crop location where you can eliminate some of those edges. The rotate button, as you can expect, rotates your file, and then you can add text annotation, so I can label the leaves on the drawing, add a little bit of, you can change the color of the pen so that I can label, add a little bit of underlining, circling, highlighting. I'll go ahead and click done, and again I can save as more notes. And while that comes up on my screen, let me go ahead and close this. There's that first document that I scanned. I could have deleted these black edges a little bit better. You can go back and fix that if you want. Then I'll go back, open this other document. You can see both pages saved as a single PDF. Retain some of that color. And that's what those annotations look like in the final file. So what might you use this for? You can digitize handwritten notes, math problems, diagrams. You can do worksheets by hand and then upload them if your students don't have tablets or don't have tablet capabilities. Like I said, you can use whiteboards. There was a whiteboard setting that you can use. It'll automatically recognize a whiteboard on the wall, for example, or if your students are working on mini personalized whiteboards, that would work too. Then what you can do with these digitize files, you can upload them to your LMS, whether that is Schoology, PowerSchool, Blackboard. You can also insert these into whatever OneNote, Evernote, whatever it is that you're working with. And then because you're working with PDFs, you can, you saw that the app took a lot of the cropping problems automatically. I also didn't have to take the picture directly over the file, which would then block some light. It takes care of that cropping automatically. You can rotate easily, and the app will take care by itself of some of the visibility problems, because it'll crop but also resize the image. You're also working with a small file size because you're not working with large high resolution images, which is the default on our phones. You can easily combine multiple pictures or pages into a single document, and this document is easy to transfer because it's a PDF. Upload, download wherever you need it, send via email, or whatever way you want to transfer it. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.